Okay, several of you have either messaged me or you've left comments on Google Classroom that you don't know where the video is at and other things, so I'm going to show you. All right, so in Google Classroom, up here, you should have a link. You'll probably have one that says stream and one that says classwork where your assignments are. All right, so stream is this right here. It's everything you see right here. This is today's assignment. I put the date on there. It was posted this morning at 8:04, and you can see where I edited it. The video that I made for you guys is right here. It's titled Day 1 of Antigone. If you watch it, it explains today's assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Actually, let me see if I can show you what this looks like from a student's point of view. I'm going to use my brother's account. How to create a test one. All right. So, yeah, on your student account, yours will say stream or classwork, and you'll just click on stream and find today's post to be able to see what you need. All right, let me know if you'll have any other questions.